Hello. So we are back Tuesday and we have a nice laptop to be fixed, yeah? It's a ACER Nitro gaming laptop. What is saying the model number? No idea. Anyway, let's test it. Okay, it's not coming on, no charging, nothing. So let's plug the charger first. Let me get the charger. The guy said, it's a subscriber and he came special from London here to fix it. He said he was using the Discord and the laptop suddenly died. Okay, now let's plug the charger. Charger is plugged in. Pressing the power button and nothing happened. What is the next step on this case? What you'll do next? Next, taking the multimeter and checking the charger, right? Zero volts. Yeah. And you'll think the charger is faulty. Right? Wrong. Okay? Let's unplug the charger. Because charger can be on the on the protection mode actually when you short the charger and the charger voltage goes down. Let's plug back the charger and let's test the charger again. Minus, plus, and check on the screen. Check on the screen there, 19.8. You see? So we know the charger is good, but the laptop is shorted. Yeah, that's the reason why the voltage from the charger goes down. Now the laptop came with no screws. Yeah, so basically there are no screws on the back. And the guy showed me the laptop and he said if you plug the charger and it's silent, I can hear a clicking sound inside. Okay, good. Now it's no point plugging the charger. We've seen already what happened. Let's go with the power supply, which is we can set up a protection, let's say around 1 amp. Ground, plus, and check on the power supply, 1.2 amps because that's the limit, and the voltage is going down to 1.7 volts, you can see. So yeah, the board is shorted. Okay. Now the next logical step is to follow our 19 volts power rail. I can't see how. Look, this is nice. 2 M2 drives here. Graphic chip, processor. It's a nice laptop. I can see some liquid damage there. Huh? Really? Let's see. No, it's not liquid damage. It's the thermal pad. Probably the guy opened the heatsink and it's a bit from the thermal pad. So what we are doing here? I can't figure it out the 19 volts power rail because probably the first MOSFET and the second MOSFET is on the other side of the board and I try to fix it, I'm lazy and try to fix it without taking the board out. So let's try to find our 19 volts power rail. Let's see, let's see, where is the battery connector, and we have the charging coil, current sensor, and we have the MOSFET. So this one will be our 19 volts power rail, right? Oh, maybe not. Okay, that's risky. I'm not sure if it is or not. I can't check here, yeah, because it's going from two MOSFETs. So if I apply current, a lot of current from the power supply to see what is getting hot, we are putting pressure on the first and two MOSFET. Because probably the short is after the first and the second MOSFET. This is the power supply, so this is the output, middle, probably there is plus 19. But we don't know for sure. Wow, I think we have to take the board out. Or let's take the heatsink out. What do you think? Let's come with the voltage on the battery connector. And it's 1.4 volts. I think 1.4, and on the charging port we have 1.6. Okay, here is 1.4. Not sure if I should do it. Plus, what's this plus? This is the MOSFET. 1.3. 1.3. Okay, let's come with the voltage there and see if we can figure it out what is getting hot. Can we fix it without taking the board out? That's the question. Can we do it? Can a lazy repairman can do the job without taking the board out? Let's raise the current. 2 amps. Or not? No, it's not a RAM power supply. Can be one MOSFET from here. Can be, and we are pushing voltage on the processor and current. Can be. Let's take out the heatsink. Because we can have like a shortened MOSFET, high side, so shortened MOSFET, and we are pushing all this current into the processor or graphics. You know, it's not always a capacitor. Do you really want to push current onto the processor? I mean, probably nothing will happen. You know, 2 amps it's nothing what damage you can do there. But it's not a good idea. Right? Let's come again. The ground here. Plus here on the battery connector. Can't feel anything. 2.5 amps. Can't feel anything. Can't feel anything. So what's wrong here? Battery? No, it's not the battery. I can only hope to not be the chipset, because if it's the chipset, there's nothing what we can do. I don't think it's the chipset. Okay, I can feel some heat here. It's not heat, like warm. So actually we are pushing current onto the processor. I can't feel the processor hot. Let's go for 3 amps. You know what? We are pushing the current onto the processor. That's sick. Actually, I believe this is the faulty MOSFET. Let's unplug the battery. This is a dual MOSFET or not? I can see one gate. I think it's dual. Let's come with the power supply again. Ground. It's still short. But I swear, here is something which is getting hot. Okay, let's solder this thingy back. Because should be something here around, yeah? Is something here around this or this one, yeah? Because this coil is feeling warm. Okay, so we solder back the MOSFET. Let's take out this MOSFET. I think I done something wrong. Let's go with the power supply, ground. And it's still short. Not trying to be funny. Not trying to be funny. But do you think that capacitor is looking dodgy? This one. This one is looking dodgy. Let's check. Do we still have short? No short. So that capacitor was dodgy. Now we do have a little bit of problem here. And the problem is called this resistor, which we have to put it back. Let me lower the temperature to 420. Good. This I moved the MOSFET and the resistor just jump out. Okay, let's solder the MOSFET back. The other way around. Right? Yeah, it's a dual MOSFET. All good. All good. Now let's test it. Let's put back the screws. Whoa, whoa. Okay. Good. The fans. Let's plug the fans. I mean, right now, yeah, if we are coming with a voltage, yeah, power supply, ground, plus, it's taking 3 amps, but check the voltage, yeah, it's charging the battery, 19 volts, yeah, 19.2, you can see. So now, indeed, the current is going onto the battery, yeah. Now let's press the power button. Let's see what we done. So we have the backlight on the keyboard, and we have picture. So you see, this was an easy one. I really expect to be like a MOSFET. But yeah. Okay. All good. We have few more screws. It's not this one. It's this one. Okay. Any more screws? No. We didn't took out anything. Okay. Pretty easy job. Okay, so we can see it's working fine. Nothing on desktop, but yeah, it's fine. It's working great. Okay, so I'll stop this video. I can only hope every job will be like that, you know, it's easy. But yeah, quite quiet, you know, January is quiet. Hopefully it will be better in February. And we will have a lot of interesting jobs and we can do more videos about that. But till then, Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video, and see you on the next one. Bye.